Did you know you can make a loaf of sourdough all in one day? I'm gonna show you how. Starting with 1 1/2 cup warm water. 1/2 cup active peak starter. Mix it up until it looks like milk. That's what it should look like. Now add 4 cups of flour. I'm using all-purpose. You can use bread if that's what you have. 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it up until you get a shaggy dough. Okay, you're just gonna mix it until it looks like this. And that's it. All we're gonna do is cover it up, set it aside for 1 hour. We're gonna come back and we're gonna do 4 rounds of stretch and folds. It's been an hour. We're gonna do our first round of stretch and folds. Grab from the bottom, pull up, and fold over. Twisting the bowl a quarter turn each time. You're gonna do that as many times as you can before it starts to give you too much resistance. Usually it's somewhere between 4 and 8 times. And it's already given me resistance. That was 5 times. We're gonna cover it back up. We're gonna let it rest for a half hour and we're gonna do our second round. We're back for round 2. We're gonna do it exactly like we did the first. Just do as many as you can. Cover it back up, give it a half hour. We'll come back and we'll do the third round. Round 3. This dough feels really good and it already has lots of tension. Cover it back up, 1 more round, and then she'll be ready to bulk ferment. 4th and final round of stretch and folds. And this has a lot of tension. It's really not pooling, so I do know it's ready. So we're just gonna cover it back up, set it aside, and let it bulk ferment. I'll come back and show you what it should look like when it's ready. It's been about 4 hours, and we're gonna go ahead and get it baked. See how nicely it's pulling from the edges? I'm just gonna do a quick shaping and score so that it can be ready in time for dinner. This is a lower hydration loaf, so I'm really anxious to see how it bakes up. Feels pretty good. I'm just giving it some surface tension by doing some push and pulls. Tightening everything up. At this point, you could stick it in the fridge to cold proof overnight if you don't need it until tomorrow. Or if you need it for dinner tonight, just go ahead and score it and stick it in the oven and bake it. That's what I'm doing.
And you think she didn't want me? Don't put on your volume, no problem. She literally gets like all the slopes.
Little flour to the top. Just gonna do an expansion score around the outside and a wheat stalk. Let me grab my preheated Dutch oven. Going into my 450-degree preheated oven. It turned out beautiful. It cooked 30 minutes covered and 15 minutes uncovered. Let's cut into it. We don't mind a less sour loaf, so we enjoy it doing it same day. If you like a more sour flavor, then cold proof it. This is delicious.